Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Figma Make for beginners. So here, Figma is an online design tool used for UI and UX, prototyping, and graphics. So everything is saved automatically and you can work with your team in real time. So first thing that you are going to do, of course, is you have to create your account. So you have to go to figma.com. Right, so you can also just tap out Figma, and then you have this first website at the top, so simply tap on it, and then you have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. But if you already have an account, then you just have to log in. Okay, so here on creating your account, you can use your Google account, easier and faster. Then once inside, just have to go to the Figma design or Figma Make interface. Alright, so we have here now the different templates that we can use. Okay, so here is the recently viewed. So we have these projects. So after that, we are going to explore the dashboard. Here we can see the recent files. Okay, and then we also have here our drafts where all of your new designs go. Our new file button to start designing, then the community thousands of free templates. Okay, so right here, just go to the project option at the top right. So we have here the starter. So for starter plan only comes with one project, but getting more is easy. So you can upgrade your plan. Okay, so let me just go back here. I think I've got so many projects already, so I need to delete some after that. So for example, you already have your plan. Okay, so I have here an existing design. So let me just tap on it. So knowing the basic tools here, you just have to know the move tool. You can move objects around. We also have here the shape tools. You can create rectangles, circles, lines, and etc. Okay, so let me just close this section right here. So for this project, I only have one page. All right, so here, as you can see at the right side, you can actually change the color. All right, so here, for example, we want to change the color of the background of our project, then you just have to drag the color. All right, and then if you want to add your style here, you can add text, color, effect, and then layout. Then you just have to proceed here. Then if you would like to export, then here we have the size. All right, and then the file type. So we have PNG and etc. Okay, so here if you want to preview this one, then you have here your project. All right, so right here we have the frame. Okay, so this is our frame. So if you want to create a new page, then you just have to go here. So just tap on this add new page option, and when you go to the asset section, you can also search for your specific asset that you want to use. So here is your library. Okay, and then if you would like to add more libraries, then you just have to tap on this one, and then you just have to search one, or you can also publish this file right here. Okay, so we also have here the property panel, so the right side. So again, we have that right here. You can change your colors, you can add borders, add shadows, adjust size and alignment, and round the corners of your page. Okay, so you can also drag this to here, and then we have these options as well. Okay, so this is the move section. All right, and this is for our frame. Okay, and then this is for the page. We also have here our mouse. Okay, so let me just click on it once again, and then here is for the text. So if you would like to add more text, then you just have to tap on it. Okay, and then you can also insert elements. So you can add buttons, icons, you can add shapes, photos. So just go to the community, and you can also search for UI kits or icons, so you can copy paste any design elements to speed up your workflow. Okay, so let me just open a new tab right here, and let me open another Figma website. Okay, and then I'm just going to proceed to the community section, and I will try to find a specific template, and I'm just going to copy and paste the design. Okay, so let's just go to the community section. Okay, so we can go here. And then if you would like to copy the link, then you just have to tap on this one. Okay, so here, how you look when using the Figma community. You can stay on the topic and be respectful, and you should read the guidelines as well. Okay, so here, for example, let me find another design. Okay, so if you'll see use template option, then you can actually use that specific template. And then another tab will open after that. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. And yeah, you can also use auto layout. This one is very important. So you can make responsive buttons, you can keep your spacing even, and then make your designs look professional. Okay, so let me just close this section. So get started. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so for example, we would like to copy this section right here. Okay, so just tap on it. And then we have the copy option. So right click and then go back to your design right here. And what we are going to do here now is to paste that specific design. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then you'd be able to see here now your new design. So that's how easy it is to make your speed up your workflow. Okay, and then you can also upload images. So simply drag and drop the images into your canvas. You can resize it to fit your screen. And yeah, you can also make a prototype. So clickable app. So prototype mode allows you to link buttons to screens. So just go to the prototype option at the top right. Okay, so you have that option right here. Okay, so here is the prototype. Okay, so take note that the prototype mode will allows you to link buttons to screens. If you want that to happen to your design, then you just have to come here. Now, to share or export. So you can share your design. So just simply tap on the share option that you can see at the top right. Okay, and then you can invite your people, and then you can edit the access of the people that you are going to invite with your project. And then to export the images or the screens, you just have to select a frame and then go to the export panel. So for example, this one, so we already clicked on this frame. So after that, just go here to the design and then tap on the export option. That's right. And then here, tap on the export, this one, and then you'd be able to see here now the different screens that you can export to. So if you don't want to include this one, then you just have to uncheck them. Then after that, you just have to tap on the export option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.